Srinira?
Yes, sir. I have one question, sir. Not the same Google page. I have one question. Can I ask?
Tell me.
Sir, if I go to the google.com, sir, actually, the home page, where that Google search, no, sir. If it is the Google search button, that Google search, not text box, sir, the text, Google search text button.
This is button.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I want to verify when that will be when after launching it, that button is display or not. So I did it for the name locator. And I given the is displayed, and it was showing false actually, but I didn't get any syntax error, but the result showing false, but it's supposed to be true.
Supposed to be true. Okay, we will check that.
Yeah. Okay.
Just a minute. Okay, now this code Khan. Confirm Khan.
Yeah, okay.
We are saying in dull mode. If you have any query, ask me.
No, I'm just
Observe Srinira. You are checking the
Google.com
displayed status of Google search button.
Correct, sir.
Driver dot find element by dot
name.
I
was using name, and it was B, T, and K.
Just a minute. First, I will check with
okay.
B, T, and K.
And K. Yes, sir.
First, I am checking whether it is working or not. Dot click. See, without entering any text, you can click this one. But that operation not visible. Suppose if we enter ABC, this operation is not visible.
Okay. It's not enabled.
Functionality for this button.
Oh. Yes, I want to see the base state that Google search is landing correct or not. That's why I want to verify it.
See,
but logically, I didn't get
Google
any error.
page launching or not, this is not the way. You can use page title.
No, I was using about link, then it was working actually.
Just a minute. Here,
okay.
In base state, no functionality for Google search. Click this link, no functionality. No functionality.
But is displayed can work now, sir?
Displayed, but no functionality. Suppose I am feel lucky. It is having functionality. It is having functionality without entering any data. Just a minute. Run it. What it is showing? Element is not interactable. Getting,
so that is nothing but this displayed functionality, right? Similar to
is displayed is different. If you try to click that one, what it is showing? Not operable.
Right.
Means don't use at this point of time.
Okay.
Boolean val equals to system dot out dot println val. Run the code. It is showing false.
Yeah, that's what I am also getting.
See, it is not operatable at this point of time. It is not operatable. That's why it is showing. That is internal arrangement of that application.
Got it.
Just a minute.
Yes, got it.
Just a minute. Suppose if it is second one. Run. Just a minute. Thread dot sleep. Run. It is also false. Dot click. Run. It is not clicking this one. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Element is element not interactable and interactable.
Yeah,
That's right.
I think with a blank, it's not operating. You have to enter something, then it start operating, I think.
That's what happened for the when I had tried send keys. It you last time you'd explained, sir. The Google that button was not. You said the status only when the data is entered,
Yes.
that you can. Yeah.
This time you need to get this Google search button locators.
Yeah.
Getting now? Okay,
Yes,
this is real-time application, production application, Sriniram.
Okay.
Here, that internal functionality is without entering any data, this Google search button is not operatable.
Yes, not operatable, yes, sir.
Not operatable. That's why it is not not showing displayed status as true.
Yes, but my intention is displayed or not. That's not functionality. It is displaying or not. That's it on my functionality.
It is displayed, but not interactable.
Yes, it's displayed, but it's showing the wrong error. It's showing false, correct? That result.
See, and one more thing, Selenium, not only Selenium, any test tool having limitations. Suppose if you have 100 test cases to automate, maybe you can automate 95 test cases or 98 test cases. For 2 or 3 test cases, manual interactions may be required. 100% test automation is impractical.
Okay.
100% test automation is impractical. We try to automate maximum test cases. Here, internal arrangement of this one, Google search not in interactable element. After performing some action only, this is interactable. Just a minute. Suppose if you want to check that one anyway, now you can check the availability of this one. Just a minute. Name Q.
Yes, displayed.
Dot send case. BTNK. Run. Still it is showing unable to locate. Means this locator is not working. Try with another locator.
Yes, I was working that about locator. It was working, sir. That left side corner, google.com.
Copy XPath. One second, just run just a minute. Okay. Observe.
Yeah, now it is.
In this way, you can check that existence of Google search button.
Yes, sir.
Say before entering any value, no need of that button. After entering some data in that search box, button must be available. Otherwise, you can't click. That time
Okay.
button available now.
Yes, sir.
Then what is your problem? Suppose
No,
without
sir. The base state, it is like a dummy button only.
dummy. Just a minute. Base state not interactable. That is developers code. Developers maybe developers intention. Just a minute. Suppose without entering this one. Without entering this one. Inspect. Copy XPath. Is displayed. Direct display. Try direct display. Run. Now observe. Working.
Oh, now it is working with the XPath as
The
well.
XPath working. Sir, name locator. Already I told now, some locators may not work properly in real time. Working na Google that
Yes,
button.
it's working. Yes, sir. Without entering also is working.
Working. Say without entering any data also it is working for XPath.
Correct.
Say first you try with the name. Name is not working. Go for another locator.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Sir.
Okay na Nirupama. You also wanna
Yes, sir.
not clicking after entering sometime. That time that
Yes,
was
sir.
different.
Now, for me, yeah, when I was trying to click on that without entering the data, I think it was not working. But
Not
only when
working.
I
Means
entered,
no
yeah,
functionality there.
yeah.
Now, Okena, Tangina.